Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! In this grammar video, we will look at how to specify time with before and ago. For example, I go to school before 8. We went to China 3 weeks ago. Now tell me, is this useful? Can you think of some situations where you might need to use before and ago? Yeah, especially if you're communicating about a deadline, right? If you need something done before a certain time, right? So let's turn our textbook to page 85 and take a look at grammar point number 3. Simply put, to express before or ago, we use the word 前, meaning before or in front of. For example, before 4 is 4点前. Before 4 is 4点前. Before Friday is 星期五前. 星期五前. In a sentence, I go to school before 8. 我8点前去学校. Remember, in Chinese, you always put time expressions before the verb. 我8点前 is the time expression, goes before the verb 去. 我8点前去学校. Another example, I go back to Beijing before Saturday. 我星期六前回北京. 我星期六前回北京. Ken, 你去哪里？
我回北京。
你哪天回北京？
我星期六前回北京。
I go back to Beijing before Saturday. 我星期六前回北京。Can you come home before Friday? 你星期五前能回家吗？ So that's the construction time plus 前. We can also use the same construction with durations. For example, 3 days ago, 3天前, before the 3 days of duration ago. Before the duration of 3 days, 3天前. A week ago, 1个星期前. Now let's do a quick practice. We go to school before 8. How do you say before 8? 8点前. Very good. How do you say we go to school? 我们去学校. Very good. Now put those together. We go to school before 8. 我们8点前去学校. Always remember, put time expressions before the verb. So you should not put 8点前 at the end. You should not say 我们去学校8点前. Instead, you should say 我们8点前去学校. Time expressions always go before the verb. 4 days ago. How do you say 4 days ago? 4天前. Perfect. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.